guys, in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing and setup of this ceramic pedestal heater from Lasko. It's a full run coverage with dual blower system. It says it has 25% wider oscillation, a 12-hour auto on-off timer, advanced auto eco maintain temperature with less energy. It's 1500 watts and no tools, and it does come with a remote control. The remote control does require 2 AA batteries, but let's get it unboxed and see how it does. But I don't cut my finger off first anyway. Pedestal bottom, and everything is taped to it. The instructions and remote. And let's see what else we got here. I think this is just the cord taped to it. Yeah. Very well packaged, that's for sure. Tape sticking to everything. Set this down on the floor where I can put stuff inside it. We're getting there. It just snaps together like that. And I'm assuming it just sits on and twists, correct? There we go. All the plastic off of it before we plug it up. Alrighty. Let's lower it down so we can see what the controls look like on top. Alright, taking a look at the controls, we have the power button. Whoops, very sensitive. Showing at 65 degrees in this room right now, and you can adjust the temperature, the target temperature you want. There it is, 72, 73, 74, and to reduce it, 70. Okay, good. And then we have the timer for 2 hours or however long you want to do it. Oscillating. And it does have a child lock also. Has the different heat settings. There's all three. That's the fullest setting, lower, and then the lowest. Bring it back up to the highest. Whoops. Highest there. 64 in the room right now. Again, our target temperature is 70. We'll let it warm up and see how it does. And there you have it. The Lasko ceramic pedestal heater. It does have the extended heat zone with oscillation, touch sensing controls with auto dim. It has the widespread oscillation, the 12-hour auto on-off timer, 3 heat settings. It's got a child lock and an adjustable thermostat. We'll give it a try and see how it works out here in the Monster Lab. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.
18 inches, here they come.